Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am going to talk about Mudarba. Mudarba, investment option for the Islamic finance. What does mean by Mudarba? And what is difference between the Mudarba and Musharaka and Muraba financing? So Mudarba is basically very simple, where a person gives the money to another person to work. He is a partner, he is an equity holder, but not practical partner. He is a sleeping partner, or he is an equity holder or owner of the company as an investor. But the project is run and managed by someone else. This simple definition, easy definition of Mudarba financing. A Rabbul Mal, the investor gives money to another person to do the project. The Mudarba agreements are very good agreement for the venture financing, for the startups and for SMEs. The people with the enough money or the cash, or those who are looking to invest into the halal investment and earn the halal profits can use the Mudarba agreements, where a skill holder can start his business with other investors. The profit and loss will be shared as agreed percentage, and they can work together in development. There will be an oversight, but the project is run and managed by the project owner. Investor will remain the equity holder, shareholder, but will not interfere into the day-to-day operation of the project. And this is really a very good venture financing option available for our Islamic financial institutions or the individual investor for the startups and SMEs financing. So Mudarba plays a very critical and important role in building the small size businesses. The basic and core difference between Musharaka and the Mudarba is, in the Musharaka agreement, the investor is a work partner and he looks into day-to-day operation of the projects. But in the Mudarba, no, he is the only investor. He keeps the oversight, but he is not part of the operation of the projects, and he is just equity holder of the project. Now we have Mudarba, Musharaka, and the third option is Muraba financing. So Muraba financing is basically cost plus financing, and it is usually used into the trading options. We can use this depending upon needs of the projects. We can use all these options, hybrid options together, or any one of these options, so that the project financing can happen. Islamic finance gives multiple and innovative solutions for the investing and financing of the projects. We need to understand very simple things, and that is, interest is haram. There is no place for the interest. Come together, work together, and grow together. Allah very clearly says in Quran that Allah destroys the interest and gives increase into the charities. There are the very strict prohibition of all types of interest into the business. So when we are stopped to interest, we have n number of options available into the Islamic finance to invest, to work together, to come together and develop the economy. Muslims must think, and especially Islamic financial institutions, it is their responsibility to create the awareness and develop the different options financing options or investing options so that the small businesses and startups can grow, and and more business opportunities can be created for the youth. Thank you very much.